Diwali is India's annual festival of lights, celebrating the victory of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. This 5-day festival, which falls in October or November, involves cleaning and decorating homes with oil lamps, diyas, candles, and colorful Rangoli designs. We worship deities Lakshmi and Ganesha. The festival of lights starts with Dhanteras and ends with Govardhan Puja and Bhai Dooj accordingly. Hello guys. Hope you all are doing great during this festival time. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. May the diyas light lead you onto the road of growth and prosperity. Without further delay, let's get started this beautiful Diwali decoration vlog. In my part 1 Diwali vlog I have shared my table theme, Rangoli making, early decor, and placing of candles. In this part I am going to share the lighting of the diyas candles, Lakshmi Ganesh Pujan, and a very helpful remedies on 9 planets activation, and also a unique way to celebrate Bhai Dooj. So without further delay, let's get started the second part of the vlog. After mostly completing the preparation of Lakshmi Pujan, I asked my both sons to light up all the candles. The flame is believed to dispel negativity, both external and internal, clearing the way for positive thoughts and energy. The act of lighting a diya can symbolize a spiritual offering, representing the burning away of ego, ignorance, and negative emotions like greed and jealousy. All these resin candle holder making process I have shared earlier in my shorts updates. You can check the links below in the description box. The decorations play a vital role in setting the mood for this festive occasion. By incorporating handmade products, families can add a personal touch that reflects their creativity and cultural heritage, making the celebration even more special and memorable. In addition to Rangoli, families can craft decorative diyas, which are small oil lamps traditionally used during Diwali. Making diyas can be a fun activity for children and adults alike. By using clay, paint, and embellishments, families can create unique diyas that reflect their personal style. Lighting these diyas during the evening of Diwali symbolizes good over evil, serving as a reminder of the importance of hope and positivity in our lives. Strings of twinkling lights and intricately crafted lanterns, each element contributes to a warm and inviting atmosphere. The highlight of our celebrations is the cherished tradition of lighting diyas, which my younger son eagerly embraces, finding immense joy in illuminating our home with their soft, flickering glow. Light of the diyas, fragrances of flowers and candles, water of the pots, chanting of the mantras, all these things help in invoking the 5 elements such as earth, air, water, fire, space into our life. It is believed that each element is associated with specific qualities which influence our physical and spiritual well-being. So we should do all such things time to time or regularly for our well-being, not only occasionally. A beautifully decorated home during Diwali is incomplete without the use of fresh flowers. Creating flower arrangements or wreaths with seasonal blooms can elevate the overall decor. Not only do flowers add to the aesthetic appeal, but they also symbolize purity and happiness. Families can enjoy the calming experience of arranging flowers, which brings a sense of tranquility and joy as they prepare their home for this auspicious occasion. The combination of handmade decorations and the fragrance of fresh flowers sets a perfect scene for celebration and togetherness. Goddess Lakshmi, revered as the embodiment of wealth and abundance in Hindu mythology, is often depicted seated on a lotus flower, symbolizing purity and spiritual enlightenment. The lotus, which blooms beautifully even in muddy waters, represents the potential for growth and prosperity amidst adversity. According to some myths, Lakshmi's incarnation evolved from the lotus flower, further cementing their connection. She loves lotus flower very much. In honoring Goddess Lakshmi, I have arranged lotus flowers, and I seek to assist in the blooming of their buds by gently opening their petals, thereby reflecting the divine qualities of grace and abundance that she bestows upon her devotees. This act not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the offering but also serves as a symbolic gesture of inviting prosperity and well-being into our lives. We should worship Lakshmi Narayan for stable money, prosperity and well-being on this day. Having completed my Lakshmi Narayan Ganesh Puja by meticulously adhering to the rituals, I little understand the necessity of seeking forgiveness for any inadvertent mistakes made during the puja, as our understanding of properly honoring the Almighty may be limited. To honor Goddess Lakshmi, we should offer auspicious items like lotus flowers, red roses, jasmine or yellow flowers, alongside sweets made from milk, such as kheer or ladoos. Other suitable offerings include gold and silver coins, fresh fruits like coconut and bananas, and items associated with purity and wealth like rice, kumkum, and rice mixed with saffron, kauri, gomati chakra, corianders, betel nuts and leaves, etc. Lighting ghee lamps is also a significant part of the ritual. One can also offer red cloths, chunri, things of adornment and embellishments to goddess. Above all, it is believed that the Lord watch your devotion, dedication and surrender towards him. On this auspicious day, reciting or listening to sacred texts such as the Kanakdara Stotram or the Lakshmi Sahasranama enhances the spiritual experience, fostering a deeper connection with the divine and inviting blessings into our lives. We must light up 21 diyas on Badi Diwali. Here I have arranged 9 elements according to 9 planets' qualities. I am pouring jaggery for planet Sun, red dal for planet Mars. It's believed that by doing such activities we can activate all planets' blessings into our life. Pouring unbroken rice for moon. The moon is linked to emotions through its phases, with each stage associated with different feelings and actions, according to astrology. Turmeric powder for planet Jupiter. In astrology, Jupiter is the great benefic planet associated with luck, abundance, wisdom, and expansion. Pouring black and white sesame seeds for Ketu. Ketu, in Vedic astrology, a shadow planet, associated with detachment, spiritual liberation, and the completion of past life karma. Cardamom for Mercury, rose petals for Venus, clove for planet Saturn and corianders or barley for Rahu accordingly. We can also eliminate the planetary afflictions by doing this time to time. The unfavorable position or condition of a planet in a birth chart, which is believed to cause problems. This can lead to challenges, obstacles, or difficulties in various aspects of life, such as marriage, career, or overall well-being. By totally burning all the diyas we can reduce such obstacles to some extent. After lighting all the 9 lamps we can place the tray on the Brahmastan, the central position, of the home. I have done this remedy for total 5 days of Diwali in the evening time. Hope you all love this remedy. Bhai Dooj is a significant festival celebrated in India, marking the bond between brothers and sisters. This festival occurs 2 days after Diwali, emphasizing the importance of familial ties and mutual respect. The Bhai Dooj celebration serves as a reminder of the protective and guiding roles that siblings play in each other's life. Tika Karan is a traditional ritual performed during Bhai Dooj, where sisters apply a ceremonial mark on their brothers' foreheads. This act symbolizes the sister's love and prayers for her brother's well-being and prosperity, reinforcing the emotional bond between them. I think it's not only sisters who can love and protect their brothers but also a brother can guide or protect each other, fostering a deeper understanding of their relationship. Here he had done a mistake by applying tilak in downward directions. We should do Tika Karan in upwards direction. Later he corrects himself. Here my younger son also resoluted to do same things what elder one was doing. So I gave him permission to do such, as I think only age cannot limit our knowledge level. It's about our soul journey, one can be more elevated soul than other. So it's okay, we don't need to prohibit. As you can see, my both sons enjoyed the festivities of Bhai Dooj by participating in the rituals and sharing moments of joy. The day was filled with laughter, games, and the exchange of gifts, reinforcing the spirit of togetherness that the festival embodies. As we continue to honor this festival, let us remember that the essence of Bhai Dooj lies in the love, protection, and guidance that siblings provide to one another. Shankhnad, or the sound of the conch shell, has a rich history in Indian culture, dating back to ancient times. It has evolved into a sacred instrument used in religious rituals and to symbolize divine power and auspiciousness. Its spiritual, cultural, and environmental effects, symbolizing the divine Om sound and purifying the atmosphere. It is believed to have physical and mental health benefits, such as stress relief and improved posture. Tika or tilak holds significance as a sacred, auspicious mark applied on the forehead, symbolizing spiritual connection, devotion, and a reminder to focus on inner wisdom and the divine power.